Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the engine back into the engine bay. Alright guys, we've got quite a bit to do still on the engine before we get it back into the engine bay. So, let's rotate this around, get the engine mounts on, get the exhaust on, flip it back over. We'll get the AC and alternator mounts on there, get the TGVs on. I'm not putting the intake on. I want to clean that up and paint it. So we'll get the engine in without that on there. This will be in there by the end of this episode, guys. I nearly forgot about the engine mounts. So because I was walking past to get gloves, but I saw them on the ground. I don't know what side this is. Right. The thing is, oh, there we go. Right, I haven't got my phone on me so I can't see torque specs, but I'll be able to put these up before I get it in. $14mm. I'm going to put the oil stuff on while it's in the car. So I'll do the lines first because I can't tighten the lines first and then it'll go on. It's a bit wet, a little moist. I nearly meant to put this on the wrong side. Yeah. Not a 14. See, this makes it look like I know what I'm doing. So all you're hearing is the clicks. But like I said before, I don't know the torque specs. This is a torque spec. That front pulley, 3 front pulleys. I don't know, but I'll come out later and do it properly. It seemed tight, but they will go tighter probably. Right, let's rotate this around. The exhaust on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, spark plugs. I may have changed the gap on one of them by accident. Yes, I dropped one. Right, I think I'll get the TGVs on first because there's still some lines attached to them, and I think some of these bolts are hard to get to once the accessories are on. Alright, we have the TGV deletes sitting on there. They are from Radium Engineering. If you didn't know, these can actually take 2 injectors. I just got the single injector railing. Yeah, later on down the track, if I really need to, I can double up the injectors, which I doubt it. The injectors these days and the computers are pretty good, but yeah, we could always stage it. If I do need to go to that, I'll have to change my Haltech because my Elite 550 does not control more than 4 injectors. So just looking down here, guys, on this water pipe, I think we might have a little bit of a leak. So I'm going to goo that up because down in this little valley down here, there's a bit of coolant sitting in there. So I'm just going to goo that up and we'll get these TGVs on. Alright, so these bolts are 12s And the other ones, the brassy ones, are 13s. Yep. Hope that was right. Yep. Don't you dare. That felt like cross-threading. No stripping. I don't need to deal with that now. So I got some black RTV on that. It's on there. Hopefully it wasn't a leak. It'd be great if it wasn't. Let's get the accessories on now. Right, got the AC and alternator on. Got to get this bolt out. So I'll lock up the flex plate, pop that out, the pulley on there, move on to up pipe. Right, we've got the pulley on, not torqued. Comment down below if I don't come back to torque it. We have a water line that we need to put on. Water line's on, fuel line. Go through the intake. Watch out for fuel leak when I get this going in. We get the wiring loom on. Alright, wiring. Right, let's get the up pipe on. Alright, so, yeah, if I had money, I would definitely just buy an aftermarket up pipe. Look a lot better, flow a lot better, and fit a lot better. Okay. Missed that, didn't I? So need this. Stick. Might get the turbo on and see where I'm at with painting and stuff. Sitting under there. Clean up here, schmoo all that up. If I can, I'll just take the front off it, paint it and put it back on. Might be the best bet. But yeah, you guys nearly flat, so I'll charge you guys up. We'll come back tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm back. It's now Saturday morning. I was going to clean out the engine bay, but it's not that bad really. It might look dirty down here because it's scratched up. So just a quick wipe I think would be sufficient there. I think it's more the cleaning up was like hiding things with carbon fibre and stuff like that. So just neatening up how the engine bay looks, not so much actually cleaning it, if you know what I mean. The engine is pretty much ready to go back in. Well, it is. So I need to clean up here so I have room. So get some gloves on. I'll just go ahead and do that. Got a busy afternoon going out and we'll be back later tonight. So I should be able to pop out tonight when we get back and get the engine back in. Then we can sort out painting manifolds and stuff like that. Yeah, clean up time. Alright guys, I've got the engine on the crane and the engine stand, about to take it off. I did do a little bit of cleanup down here, around the back a little bit, and down on the rails a little bit. Didn't clean it up very good. Anyways, not too fussed about that. Still know it's probably going to come out again. Anyways, let's get this in. Engine bay. Alright guys, engine is back in. We've got just the 2 bolts up the top holding it together. It's in the engine mount, it's all aligned, everything. So yeah, just got to button it up and see where we go from there. I'm at the point where the manifold needs to go on. So I'm just going to put the manifold on, and if she's running all good, we'll get the manifold off and we'll paint it again. I'm not going to wait around to do that, so let's get the manifold on and get it all buttoned up. Alright guys, I've got it to a point of where I can start it. I need to put some oil in it. I've done the oil cooler, I've done everything. Just need the breathers on, obviously the radiator, so there's no coolant. I need to put some oil in it, and got some, I need a new V-band. That one's stuffed. It's got sealant on it, but yeah, we'll put some oil in it and we'll give it a start tomorrow. Reason why I've got the breather like this is so I can see it chuffing out of there. Make sure it's not chuffing out of there. So yeah, ready for a start up tomorrow. Stay tuned guys, it's coming. Alright guys, it's Monday after work. Oh, actually it's about 8 o'clock. I forgot to put my laptop on charge, so when I got home I did that, so it's been charging for a few hours. Just got to chuck that on, disable the injectors, and then right to crank it over, get some oil pressure, and then give it a start. So with this V-band clamp as well, I'm going to change it for the one that's halfway down, and then we don't have to worry about it so much. This is after oxygen sensor and everything, but we will get another clamp. We do need to redo midsection anyways, so we'll be buying a couple more. So yeah, let's get the computer onto the car. Alright, we have powered up. We're already on the correct table. That's awesome. Right, disabled. I'm going to go check for fuel leaks because we've primed a couple times. Yep, we got a fuel leak. Geez, we got lots. Alright, so that was only one of the fittings. It was like 2 full turns. Alright, let's try again. Let's have a look. Get this window down. That's better. Let's crank it over, build some oil pressure. Alright, top one here, it's oil pressure. Injectors are disabled. Come on. So this is going up on this one, but not on that one. That's strange. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we got oil pressure. Yep, and we're leaking. I was thinking that before I came out. And I just checked that too. Alright, I'll nip that up. Oh my god, that was finger tight. You idiot, Glenn. Well, it's going to be very smoky around there. It's made a huge mess. Great. Alright, let's turn the injectors back on, get it started, and hopefully she sounds good. Alright, injectors back on, prime. I might actually get out of the car so I can check. Ooh. Oh, it sounds heaps better. Heaps better. There's the pistons, guys. Oh my god. Heaps better. And the oil has stopped dripping. So either I fixed it or there's no oil in it. But that sounds so much better. Alright, I'm happy. So guys, I'm going to wrap this episode up here. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you next episode when we get this back together and hopefully go for a drive. Thanks for watching. Bye.